If you're looking to add a personalized touch to your Polaris Slingshot, one of the simplest and most popular mods is upgrading your shift knob. It's an affordable way to change up the look of your interior. And if you opt for a weighted or more ergonomic shift knob, you can enhance the overall driving experience when you're banging through gears. In order to upgrade your shift knob, you'll first need a shift knob adapter. This particular adapter is constructed from billet aluminum and coated in black for both a sleek appearance and added weather resistance. Once installed, it allows you to run any aftermarket shift knob with an M10 by 1.5 thread and pitch, giving you the freedom to personalize your cockpit with a wide range of styles to match your taste. This adapter is designed specifically for all 2015 and newer Polaris Slingshot models. However, this video will walk you through the installation process specifically for 2020 and newer models. Stick around, and we'll show you how easy it is to get this installed.
Before you begin, ensure your Slingshot is on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Start by removing the 2 push pins at the top of the center console trim. Carefully lift up and back on the rear section of the center console like so. Then pull from the sides towards the back of the Slingshot to release it. Lift the front of the center console assembly nearest the drink holders. Then, carefully lift the rear of the tray assembly up to release the 2 clips located here. Then pull back on your shift knob to allow room to pull back on the tray assembly and remove it from the bike. Carefully lift up on the shifter boot base to release it from the 4 plastic mounting posts. Next, you can remove this set screw on the side of the shifter using a 5mm Allen wrench. This screw will be reused. You can pull the shifter boot, and the boot base up and off the vehicle. Using a plastic pry tool, carefully release the shift boot retaining ring like so. The retaining ring will not be reused. Then pull the shifter boot and black sleeve down to expose the set screw. Using a 3mm Allen wrench, remove the set screw and disassemble the shifter. Set aside the shift boot and base to use with your new shift knob adapter. Remove the long M10 set screw and nut from your new adapter, and slide it through the top of the shift boot like so. Attach the large C-clip included in the kit to the shift knob adapter on the underside of the shift boot, locking it in place. Now, you can slide everything back into place on the vehicle, making sure the hole for the set screw is facing the driver's side. Add the OEM set screw finger tight. Then, using a 5mm Allen, tighten it back down to the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. Reinstall the shifter boot base over the 4 mounting posts around the outside. Add some removable thread lock to the large M10 set screw and thread it into the adapter, tightening it down with a 5mm Allen wrench. Add the jam nut. Then thread your shift knob all the way. Tighten the nut up into the shift knob with a 14mm open-end wrench. Now, you can reassemble your center console panels in the reverse order you removed them.
That's all there is to it, folks. If you're looking to add a custom touch to your Slingshot interior and improve the feel of every shift, head on over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to grab a shift knob adapter for your Sling. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay tuned in to everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.